good, Pearse family? I'm back. And y'all know what that means. It's time to prank Kiana. By the title below, you already know what I'm about to do. She asked me to get the blow dryer ready for her. And then, cause she gotta be somewhere in like 45 minutes. So she might be kind of late today. All right, so let's get this prank going now.
Damn, she about to be so mad. She might whip my ass for this one, y'all. But she'll be alright though. I think I got enough in there. And wipe that down real quick so she won't notice it. This shit about to be so funny, y'all.
Daddy!
Huh?
She's trying to get your drink.
Yeah, I found the perfect spot to put the camera at, y'all. Right up there. She ain't ever gonna see it.
Hell yeah, that's perfect. Alright, just wait and see.
Look at you. Baby, you have to take these clothes downstairs.
Alright, I will.
Ouch!
Oh, your hair's all curly and shit.
Here.
One eternity later.
Yes, I have to dry my hair.
Come here, baby. Can I hold you? Can I hold
You
you?
gotta go to daddy. Yes. Come on. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Let me see, let me go there.
I really don't want to use this, but where is my toothbrush?
You want for your hair?
Yeah.
I ain't seen it. Better hurry up.
Nigga, bye. Fuck, I gotta blow dry. And blend. Look at my curls.
I know.
I'm going like this.
They call that the leave out?
Yeah, this leave out. I'm going like this.
No, baby, no. No.
Go let her watch TV or something. Put her in her room so she can play with her toys.
You wanna go play?
She said no. She just grown. Just too grown. I bet she won't say no to that. need to get I was just at Walmart too.
Get what?
The thing for this thing that be squirting every whatever 15.
Oh, spray.
Ain't shit in there. Dre!
You okay?
No!
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. What happened? Cat.
Got her.
Really, nigga?
Dre, my eyes. Get out of here.
Oh man. What y'all think about that one?
This is not funny, Dre. I gotta go somewhere.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Look at me.
Look at you. You cute though, baby.
This is not
Oh,
funny.
you knocked the camera on my head. You cute though, baby. Damn, let me see, baby, one more time. You still cute. Just go
Dre.
like that. Just go like that, baby.
Why would you do this when
see,
you know
mommy?
I got somewhere I have to be?
You see, mommy? Lily. What happened to mommy, Lily?
What do you mean what happened?
Oh man.
This is a prank?
It's a
So
prank.
this is your prank?
You didn't see the camera sitting up there? It was up there that whole time. Don't look at her. She ain't got nothing to do with it. Say it. Tell her, Lily. It ain't my fault.
Oh my gosh, my eye.
Man. So tell me what y'all think in the comments below. If y'all like this prank, hit the like button.
No. Look at me. Look at me.
Give me that thumbs up though if I did good on this one, y'all. I know it's been a while, but y'all was waiting on it. Say what's up to the Pearse family.
Dre, this is too much.
Tell them what's up, baby.
Now. Oh my gosh. This is too much.
Let me see. This are cool. She's scary, baby. Yeah, like I was saying though, just hit that thumbs up though if y'all like this prank.
This
let
is
me know.
crazy.
Let me know what I should do on the next one, cause it will be more though.
It took you
Hit that,
forever.
if y'all new, hit that subscribe button.
I just should have known not to tell you to get shit for me.
She's still over here talking, y'all. She's still talking.
Fuck, why would I even? Because I didn't know. That's why. I didn't think you would be trying to prank somebody knowing that they got somewhere to be.
Like y'all know what y'all think about her new hairstyle. Her new face.
You got me. You got me. But at the wrong fucking time.
I'm sorry, baby. Alright, but if y'all new, like, subscribe, comment. And then we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.